Welcome to Auto House. Today I want to talk to you about a problem that we commonly see at Auto House. Now, if you're feeling a vibration in your seat, or your steering wheel is shaking, or let's say your tires keep losing air, that could be due to a lot of things. Could be a wheel out of balance, could be a bad valve stem, your tires could just have a hole in it. But something that we see quite often at Auto House, the problems are coming from the wheel itself. Now, this is an alloy wheel, very common on most cars today, and they are very sturdy, but if you go through a pothole, you can oftentimes bend the wheel, and you may not know it, but you may feel it. Sometimes even worse than just bending the rim, you actually crack the rim. Now, something that we do at Auto House, we offer a service where we can straighten the wheel out, true it back up to a perfectly round shape, and we can also weld. A lot of times you'll have a crack. If you look at this wheel right here, there's a crack that comes from the inside of the wheel all the way over the edge across the rim. Now, we use a specialized welding process called TIG welding. Anything else is probably not going to hold. So what we're going to do today is we're going to prep this wheel, we're going to weld it with the TIG welder, we're going to make sure that it's true and round, put it back to factory specifications. You've seen the before, and we're going to show you the after in just a few minutes.
So the wheel's prepped for weld now. The factory paint is all ground down to bare aluminum. The weld is prepped and gouged for proper penetration inside and out. I actually cut them past the crack so to relieve any pressure and so that the crack doesn't continue during the welding process. It's actually cut on both sides, prepped on both sides, and now we're ready to weld.
Okay, welcome back. The welding is done. We are now at our rim straightening machine, state-of-the-art piece of equipment we have here. We're going to have our technician go over the process with you on how we get this bent rim round again. Come here and take a look real quick at the weld that was done. You remember before I showed you the crack. Now that crack's completely gone. You can't even tell there was a crack there. The weld has been sanded smooth. Now the bead of the tire will hold air against the bead of the rim.
Hey, good morning. My name is Warren. I'm going to walk you through the wheel straightening process. So for starters, you want to check and make sure that your wheel has a bend, which it looks like it has about 1 or 2 bends in it. So we take the dial down, set it where the bead of your tire would sit. You run it around, and then you find the bend in the wheel. And this one has more than one. So we'll find the second bend right about there. Propane torch. This takes a minute. Heat the wheel up to about 250 degrees to 300 degrees. Somebody left it out. Now that we have the right height adjustment, stretch that wheel a little bit at a time. We run our dial down and we check it. And you're not watching the wheel, you're watching the dial. So when you set the dial down and it moves across there without moving, that is a straight wheel. And then we'll go ahead and fix the other ones.
Alright, so you've seen the process from beginning to end, from taking a wheel that's cracked and bent, We've welded it up, we've trued it up, made it round again, made it solid again, made it able to hold air and be safe to drive. So if you think you have a cracked wheel or a bent rim, even if you're not sure, bring it in, let us take a look at it. We'll check it out for you. We'll take care of the problem, get you back on the road safely. Give us a call, 757-898-1200. That's 757-898-1200. Auto House of Yorktown, your alloy wheel repair specialist. Thank you and have a good day.